Go ahead.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a surface level so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Hassan Yassin. This is ticket number P1273537. This is one count 21 to 25 miles over posted speed in the construction zone. This is a date and time set for a formal hearing. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lawrence LSL 71355 on behalf of Mr. Hassan Yassin.
Officer, can you state your name for the record, please?
Officer Eric McCombs, badge number 4083.
All right. This is the date and time set for a formal hearing. Is your client going to appear today, attorney?
Your Honor, I'm asking to waive his appearance. We have a resolution in this matter of a dismissal on this.
Full dismissal?
Yes.
Yeah, I made a clerical error on the ticket in which I charged him in construction zone when it was not a construction zone.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to dismiss this without prejudice. Know that they can refile this and correct the error if they would like to, but as of today, it's dismissed, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome.
Thank you, officer.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you. Be safe out there, Officer McCombs, please.
Yeah, because we're doing check.
Okay. And I'm gonna bring Mr. Webb out right now so we can give him his date, okay? Attorney Robinson.
You said what for Deontay Webb?
I'm gonna bring him out so we can get him his date.
Or do you want me to go get him? Because he was
Can you
sleeping.
please? Yes, please. Mr. Webb, you can activate your camera for me, please. Now calling the matter of the people versus Deontay Webb. This is ticket number 1546484. Count 1, unregistered motor vehicle. Count 2, uninsured motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, if it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Mr. Deontay Webb. Sir, please state your name.
Deontay Webb.
And Judge, today we're requesting a bench trial.
All right, this is an arraignment on the bench warrant. Do you want me to set aside that warrant and enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf?
Yes, Judge, thank you.
You're welcome. So the court will do such at this time. Sir, you want to have a bench trial? Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Webb, you had an opportunity to talk with Attorney Robinson in private today about your case and about your rights. Is that correct?
Yes.
Oh, there we go.
And she's before me means you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yes.
All right. So I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on the date of September the first. September the first. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. Did you have to pay any bond money, sir, to get this on the docket for today?
I think I had to pay like $40.
Okay.
I think you paid a reinstatement fee, Judge.
Okay, all right, I just want to make sure if it's a bond out there, it stays in place. If not, I'll enter a $0 personal bond on his behalf. Sir, it is going to be a Zoom bench trial. So the same way you logged in today, you're gonna log in on the date of September the first. Same numbers and everything at 9 a.m. and we'll handle this matter at that point in time, okay?
Mhm.
Okay, Mr. Webb?
Yes.
You're all set. You can log
All right.
off.
All
Let me
right.
lose the hearing.
Press, there you go.
And the officer, Corporal Jones is here, right? So, Mr. Zach, his officer is here, Attorney Robinson, for his matter.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Zach,
Yes, hello.
can finally hear you.
Sorry.
That's okay, that's okay. Remove your hat for me, please, okay?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
This is the clerk, that's okay. Mr. Zach, we're gonna place you in the breakout room so you can speak with the attorney regarding your case, for today, okay?
Okay,
So on your device, when you see join, hit join, okay?
okay. Sorry, I'm not good with cellular devices, ma'am, but I'm trying.
That's okay, that's okay.
All right.
We're gonna place you in breakout room 8, okay?
Okay.
There you go. Marcus Ford checked in.
You did.
That's the one where you said it was him, some- so, let Sarah know that he's finding something like
So, don't, I like to.
well, you can, but just get all the letters to you, check out.
Okay.
That he thought for you. and that's something like this, so.
Well, you know what, I can see. Yeah.
I will. Why is the afternoon docket so long?
And you see the morning doc. Hold
Morning docket is very disrespectful. Like, why is it so big, baby? Oh, we should take bets on how many people I'm signing.
on. Two.
I was about to say, Only because it's so long.
Right.
And you would think like 10 people will sign it, it's gonna be
Yeah.
like 3 people too. I say 30. You know, so my pet peeve is, you know, it's like, people kind of go like hard on
Excuse me, Madam Clerk, in room 6, it says D map, MAPP, but I don't see a map and his audio won't work.
Is that an office?
I guess we'll deal with it, but I don't know.
I don't know who Deep Map is. I think, is that an officer?
I don't know. He was wearing a yellow construction vest.
No. I don't know.
I don't know. I guess we'll figure it out.
Attorney Robinson, I sent you, something for Marcus Warren. Like all the tickets that he has,
Yes.
because he's saying that those tickets are not, he didn't get those tickets. So
It
he
wasn't
only has-
him.
Right, he has one on the docket. But all those other tickets, he's saying that he never received.
So he needs to get another date then, I would imagine.
Well, John hasn't came to the courtroom yet. I'm gonna see what he wants to do with it. I just want
Okay.
to see if that he has.
Yeah, I took a peek at that and I didn't understand. Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. And whoever Deep Map was, they left. I don't know who.
Yes, sir. Good.
No, he is.
Okay.
I didn't know.
Oh, yes.
You don't wanna talk to. Attorney Robinson?
Yes.
Or Horace Watson? I'm sorry, Horace Watkins. If he pleads guilty to be amended to improper place.
Which breakout room is he in?
Horace Watkins. 4.
Okay, because that was Horace Watkins that was in there. Did you just say Roy Washington? Oh,
Oh,
I'm
Horace
sorry.
Watkins.
I haven't had any coffee yet. I show Horace.
That's okay.
It was only funny because you repeated back the right name, and then I was like, what's she talking about? You personally said it, Attorney Robinson, the right name, and I was like, what?
Yeah, I realized it. Well,
It's okay.
Kind of threw me off. I read an article that Nick Cannon is expecting more children this year. So
Oh,
just
he is not.
Get out of
You
here.
better stop.
it just came on CNN. Yeah, I read it on CNN. I think he says he's expecting possibly 3 children this year.
What? You know what? What is wrong with him?
That made me stop my coffee consumption.
I was about to say, what happened to your coffee?
I am done.
Yeah, you can Google it. Yeah.
That's y'all funny.
I'm done. I'm done.
So Horace Watkins wants to plead guilty to the improper plate. So I'll clean my ears out and have some coffee.
That be what? About 10 now? You got 3 more?
More than that.
More than that. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
How many kids do you have right now?
I think about that.
I think 8.
8. Oh, God. 3.
3 more? 11?
Yeah, that.
Oh, yeah.
So there, it's for a final picture. Like these two. What? I didn't say it. It didn't. I didn't say it. I mean, I was.
I'm bringing Horace Watkins out if that's okay. He's already on his way.
That's fine. Mr. Watkins, can you activate your camera for me?
And can you see me now?
I can. Now calling the matters of the people versus Horace James Watkins. This is ticket number P 848814. This is one count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Horace Watkins. Sir, please state your name.
Horace Watkins.
And Judge, Mr. Watkins, we would ask that the warrant be recalled.
At this time, the court is going to recall the warrant and enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf.
Thank you. And there's an offer that to improper plates. And Mr. Watkins would like to plead guilty today.
Is that right, Mr. Watkins?
That is correct.
If so, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Watkins, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney? That would have been Ms. Robinson about your case, about your rights?
Yes, I have.
Did anyone threaten, force, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that for me, please?
Absolutely. I said, are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? Is that, you understand that, sir?
Yes.
Okay, with all of this understood, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of January the 28th of 2017, were you in the area of Kercheval and Mildrum Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Nissan vehicle?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, did you not have a valid license at the time?
I believe I needed to pay my reinstatement fee, so I do not believe it was valid.
Okay. All right. Satisfied, Attorney Robinson?
Satisfied, Judge.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of improper plate in this particular matter. So did you have to post any type of bond to get this on the docket for today?
I believe my girlfriend had to pay $200 to get a court date.
Okay, that's usually my fine. Is she, do you want to pay that yourself or do you want to take that bond money and pay it towards this ticket?
You could pay the bond. So the money that was paid for the bond could use for the ticket. Oh,
It can
yes.
be. You said your girlfriend paid it, so I want to make sure she's okay with paying it.
Yeah, I gave her the money back, so that's fine. So yes.
All right, sir, well, that's gonna be your fine for today, and I'll just take it from the bond money, okay?
Okay.
All right. Do you have any questions? Are you?
So is the clearance clear now for me to go get my license at the Secretary of State?
So what happens is my clerk is going to put it into the computer system, and as soon as it's put into the computer system, let me make sure you don't have a reinstatement fee on it. Because as
Okay.
long as it's just that $200, that should grant you clearance for it to be paid to the sec, so you can get clearance to register for your license.
Okay.
So it's a reinstatement fee. So what I would suggest for you to do is to physically come down to 36th District Court and to get that. We're gonna take away your warrant cost on it, but you do have a reinstatement fee, that's $45 in addition to this ticket. I will come down and make sure that bond money is applied to this ticket as well as you pay that $45. As soon as you pay all of that cost and fee, they'll send clearance over to the Secretary of State's office on your behalf, okay?
Okay, so I have to go back to the Secretary of State, back to the 36th District Courthouse, pay the $45 reinstatement fee and let them know that my bond was towards the court cost.
Yes, just and when you come down, it makes it go a little quicker. That's why I'm telling you to come down here. As
Right.
opposed to- sometimes it may take a moment, and that way you can handle everything, and they can send clearance over to the Secretary of State.
Okay, now I'm headed to work now. Do I have to come myself or can I send someone else on my behalf?
Well, if your girlfriend did the bond and it's in her name, she may be able to do it. Attorney Robinson, she can have them apply it to his stuff.
If it's in her name, she can, I believe so, yeah. Yeah.
Let me see, because it says my name on the receipt on the cash bond is my name on the receipt.
Come down here. So it doesn't have to be today. I know you're trying to get it done all today, but you may have to take a moment just to come down here and handle it.
Okay, and what time do you guys open and close?
8 a.m.
Yes.
First floor is open at 8 a.m. and it closes at 4:30, and it closes at 4:30.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're so very welcome. Okay, you have any more questions, Mr. Watkins?
No, that will be all.
I understand. All right, go ahead. I'm gonna say that bond applies, so it may be applied by the time you come, but just not, in case it's not, you'll be able to handle it all when you come down, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, Mr. Watkins.
You too.
Judge, should I bring out Ashley White? It's been an hour for the officer.
Okay, did you talk to, Mr. Zach too?
I touched base with him. I'm waiting to see if there's an offer. And I thought I heard that Officer Jones was here, or did I hear that wrong?
No, you're right. He's
Yes,
here.
I'm here.
Okay, so I'm just waiting to see what the prosecutor has to say.
The only one I have is Warren. I was gonna see if I could speak to her.
I don't have that file. Okay, let me bring out Miss White. We'll take care of hers. And then I see Harry White has just signed on. So why are you late to court this morning?
The lady told me yesterday to come in at 9:30 today.
Alright. You sure it wasn't 8:30?
Oh, no, it was. You wanted to do it at 1:30.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, I did.
okay.
You're right.
She's telling me that confirmed. Okay, sir. All right. We're gonna put you into what's called a breakout room. No one's gonna be in there with you, but Attorney Robinson will come in there and talk to you about today's case and today's matters so that we can try and handle them in a timely fashion. You'll be in the room all by yourself, but I promise Attorney Robinson will come in there and talk to you about your case, okay?
Okay.
Sounds good.
No, Ms. White, you stay here. Ms. White,
Oh.
I'm gonna have your matter in a moment, okay? I was
Oh,
talking to
okay.
somebody.
Okay.
White, I'm going to put you into room number 3. Go to breakout room number 3, sir.
Okay, thanks.
Ms. White, you can activate your camera for me, okay?
Okay, I sure will. Let me scroll over. Okay, can you see me? I can see you.
Yes, Ms. White, I can.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Ashley White. This is speaking number P1341576. This is one count 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. This is a date and time set for a formal hearing in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sarah Robinson for Miss Ashley White. Miss White, please state your name.
Ashley Cortrina White.
This is the date and time set for a formal hearing. It's now 9:45 a.m. No officer has appeared for this particular ticket. How do you want to move forward?
Move to dismiss, Judge.
The court is going to dismiss this without prejudice at this time because the officer has failed to appear. Ms. White, what that means is that, that money you paid, you paid the money, correct? So that you can have a formal hearing because you missed the date?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you'll be refunded that money at this point in time. Now, they can refile it if they want to, but as of today, this matter is going to be dismissed. Okay?
Oh, thank you so much.
This is your welcome, okay?
I'm sorry, say that one more time.
I said you're so very welcome, okay?
Oh, okay, thank you so much. Yes.
All right, have a good day, man.
Thank you, you too.
Okay.
Attorney Robinson?
All right, Ms. White, you're all
Yes.
set. You can log.
Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you. I have one more question before I let you go. Since the case is dismissed, does this mean that I don't have to worry about the points on my license anymore?
Yes, but how does that work? Because they're already on the license. Gotta ask why. Okay, we have to ask some questions because they're already essentially on your license. And so I
Right.
don't know how it goes when they come off, when it's dismissed like this. So if you could give us a couple of days, my clerk that's in-house, is not gonna be back until Tuesday.
Okay.
Tuesday, could you be on my courtroom? Do you have the number?
Yes, the 360-337. Oh, no. Oh, the actual phone number.
The actual phone number.
That's 313-965-2293.
Correct. Call on Tuesday, okay? Tuesday probably here after 11.
Okay.
Okay, we'll be able to help because we should be finished with our morning docket by that time and she'll be able to assist you while we figure it out, okay?
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, I guess I'll just get out of the app now.
Yes,
Yes.
go ahead, off, okay?
Okay, Have a good day, Ms. Robinson. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. I'm just trying to end this live, get out of here.
Okay.
Attorney Robinson?
Yes,
Okay, so for Harry White, if he pleads guilty, they will amend it to improper place.
all right, is that it? Just one count?
Yes, and then for Bernard Watson, if he pleads guilty, they will amend that to open and top passenger.
Okay, the officer's not here on that one, right?
No.
Okay, all righty. I will,
Okay. Charles Zach, he's here for a trial.
Yes. Mr. Corporal.
Oh. And Miss Robinson,
Robinson, you.
hello, yes, hi,
how you doing? Good morning.
I'm pretty good. Good morning.
Good. So Marcus Warren has a number of tickets, and I understand that there is some identity theft going on, but I was just gonna see if you could find out from him which years he believes the identity theft took place in, because he has tickets from 2011, 2016, 2018, and 2020. So I'm guessing the identity theft hasn't been going on quite that long, but maybe it covers some of the tickets. It's kind of what I was thinking.
Okay, I'll ask them. And any
Okay.
movement on Zach?
Yes, I just
Yep.
give you over an offer. for
Oh.
him.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Zach is gonna plead guilty. I'll go back because the judge, I don't see the judge. I'll just keep talking to people, but he's gonna plead guilty. Officer Jones, if you could hear me.
Yes, I hear you.
All right. Thank you. Madam Clerk or Prosecutor, Mr. Harry White's not on my docket. Can you tell me what his charge is, please?
He's on there, he's up under, where is he? He's up under 845.
Yep, he's not on my docket. I got mine from Roberta. It must be,
Oh, okay.
I got it last week.
His charge is driving with revoked license.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, is John in the courtroom?
No, he just left out.
Okay, so I wanted to talk to him about Marcus Warren. So that's the only case that's left to discuss. Everyone else is ready, I guess. Unless I skipped somebody. I think I did.
Good. I did the entry for the first and thought I did my doggone show cause I didn't my show cause, did my show cause. I thought I did the whole doggone thing. My man, girl, I'm sorry. That was me. That was me.
We keep having these conversations, Mary.
Good. But I know, but what I'm saying is, I did the entry and I could have swore I did the whole. It's my fault. Now, when I'm wrong, you know I admit when I'm wrong, so.
And I know you're down for.
And it is, because I just put a report, and I was like, I did all my stuff while I left. I'm like, oh my God, I didn't do my show for you.
Madam Clerk?
Check it out.
All right.
I know. So the other, the second and third, you know, but I'm about to do the first.
You did all that stuff.
All right, it's a couple on here that you got to tell these two about.
Girl, anyway, if so had that thing report clear.
I mean, she ain't got that many. She got 1, 2, 3, 4. She got about 13 on here.
Okay, from what day?
6, 2, and 6, 3 when I wasn't here. When she was
6, 2, and 6, 3 here. Okay, girl,
all
thank you.
right, okay, bye-bye.
All right.
Madam Clerk?
Yes.
In room 6, it appears to be D-Map in his yellow vest. I can't communicate with him. I don't even see him on my docket. Anybody named Matt.
Yeah, just to bring him out, because I don't even know who put him in there. I'm gonna bring him out.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. You know, just now.
Oh, answer.
Yeah, she got phone. Yeah.
Yo, got anybody?
She was fine.
This way? See the.
Hello? Hello?
The clerk must have stepped away. Just hang on for 1 minute.
I think I might be in the wrong. Yes, I'm here.
Dante Johnson,
Yeah.
you just zooming in for court this morning?
I believe so. I supposed to have been I think in another courtroom, but
Yeah, I think
it
you might
was,
have to be in courtroom 332, just to brief.
yeah, I can't get in there for some reason. But
Just like you did this, you need
excuse
to
me?
do, just like you zoomed in this courtroom, you need to zoom in 360-332.
360.
0000.
Yeah, I did it. It say it won't let me in there for some reason.
They might have closed it, or I don't know. Let me give you the phone number to call, okay?
Okay.
To the courtroom. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready now.
It's 965
965
2285.
2285. So this the number I put in like the little Zoom thing.
No, that's the number you're gonna dial. You're gonna dial the actual courtroom.
Okay. All
To
right.
let the
Thank you.
person know you were having trouble zooming in this morning.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right. Bye.
Did John come back around?
Not yet.
Okay,
I'm texting them and let them know.
all right. I just need to wrap up Mr. Warren, and then Mr. Mapp is in 6 and I can't communicate. That's all. Everyone else is ready.
I tried to get him to come to the main session. He's not coming out. I was trying to get him. Now, Ms. Robinson, have you spoken with Mr. White? Terry White, you're on mute.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I spoke with him.
Okay, so he's ready?
Ready.
Okay, hold on, Mr. White. Put your device back on mute for me.
Okay.
Attorney Robinson, you need John for Marcus Warren?
For Marcus Warren, yeah, John had a question.
Okay, what about Mr. Watson and Charles Zeck?
They're ready.
Hello?
Hello?
Now calling the matter of People versus Charles Zeck. This is ticket number SP 1063799. Count 1, failed to secure load to body or frame Count 2, failed to secure load to body or frame. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel first, please.
Good morning. Sarah Robinson appearing on behalf of Mr. Zeck. Sir, please state your name.
Charles Edward Zeck.
And Corporal Jones, please state your name for the record.
Corporal Alonzo Jones, badge 4232, Detroit Police.
Thank you. How are we proceeding to take today, Chief Robinson?
Judge, the matter is, as the court has stated, the matter is set for trial. The officer is here. There's an offer. Mr. Zeck would like to take the offer. I have explained it to him and he accepts.
All right, Mr. Zeck?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
If so, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney, that would be Ms. Robinson, in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench trial today as scheduled, or to have a jury trial? You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of February the 6th of 2020. At that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of East McNichols and Bloom Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was there a load that was on your body of your car that you failed to secure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Attorney Robinson?
Satisfied.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause for the remaining count to be dismissed?
Yes.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to count 1 as charged, failed to secure load to body frame, and dismiss count 2 of that particular ticket. Sir, this is on a 12-month delayed sentence. What that means is as long as you get no new ticket, especially like this one, in 12-month period of time, that we'll dismiss it at the end, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to charge you a fine today, though, in the amount of $300. But you have
Ma'am?
until, yes.
Your Honor, I would like to address the court as far as the payment goes. If the court can consider any kind of leniency, I know you've been very good with me on leniency already. I already have tickets that I'm supposed to pay through 36th District. I'm trying to obtain my license so I can get a job back. I am on Social Security. So my funds are limited, but since all this happened, I do not longer have the truck or do any kind of work because I don't have any license. So any kind of leniency you could take on with the fines would be helpful, Your Honor.
Oh, you have some civil infractions?
I'm sorry?
I said you have civil infractions that you haven't paid. You do owe a lot. Okay, here's what I'll do. I won't add any new costs to you, but you have to pay the fines and costs in their total by the time this next hearing comes in a year. So all the fines and costs need to be paid in total. You're looking at $1,176.
For everything, that's all the tickets and everything combined?
Yep, yes.
And that's everything from the no proof of insurance and all that other stuff that's every case I have in 36th district, correct?
That's every case you have at 36.
Yes, ma'am. I have no problem with that, Your Honor.
Okay, so it won't be any additional money. You just have to pay off all of your tickets in their entirety by the 12 months. I'm gonna
Not
set
a
this
pro-
for review on the date of June the 8th of 2022, okay?
Okay,
All right, have a good day, sir.
thank you, Your Honor.
2023, sorry.
So I owe 1,000, what is it? 1,000 what?
$176.
1176 in a year. Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bernard Watson?
Yeah,
Yes,
good morning, Your Honor.
good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Bernard Watson. This is ticket number P1224985, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. This is the date and time set for bench trial. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson for Mr. Bernard Watson. Sir, please state your name.
Bernard Watson.
Judge, today is the date for trial. The officers failed to appear. We would move to dismiss.
Time is now 10:26 a.m. This matter was scheduled for 9 a.m. No officer having appeared for this matter, I am going to grant your motion and dismiss this matter without prejudice, sir. That means that they can refile this if they want to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
Okay, you too.
I will, bye-bye. Harry White?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Harry White. This is ticket SP 12121611. This is one count drove while license revoked. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson appearing on behalf of Mr. Harry White. Sir, please state your name.
Harry White.
And Judge, today, Mr. White will be pleading guilty. There's an offer for improper plates.
All right, is that right, Mr. White? You want to take advantage of the offer today?
Yes.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. White, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney? That would have been Ms. Robinson in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for that plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of June 11th of 2021. At that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Evergreen and Schoolcraft in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving it, was your license revoked at the time?
I had found out when I got pulled over, so yes.
Okay. Satisfied, Attorney Robinson?
Satisfied, Judge.
All right. And the court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plate on this particular ticket. Sir, did you handle the reason why your license had been revoked or suspended?
I've been trying to find out. That's why I had that was the lawyer that sent me to the other courtroom that day. She been trying to figure it out for me. And she still hasn't figured it out. I'm gonna call her today again and see what's going on so I can take care of it.
Okay. So do you have any other, this was the only ticket in Detroit, right? Yeah, we're gonna make sure this is your only ticket in Detroit. Did you get some tickets in a different area, a different county or something?
No.
All right, my clerk is gonna look up real quick to make sure you don't have any other outstanding tickets in the city with us.
Okay.
You don't have. Okay, you got a ticket in 2003 that you didn't pay a $45 reinstatement fee for. That's the only thing we see.
Okay.
You need the case number, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Write it down. Okay, you ready? It's 03
Zero.
46 93 361.
Okay.
You don't have a license? You don't have your license yet, sir?
No.
Hold on a minute. I'm sorry we're taking so much time. We're trying to figure out what's going on, Mr. White. I've seen people with lots more tickets that have their license. Did you pay quite a few tickets off too, Mr. White?
Yeah, I paid a lot of tickets off.
Okay, all right. So I'm gonna waive your costs and fines on this ticket today. But I'm trying to figure out why you don't have, we're trying to figure out why you don't have access to your license. Just give me 1 second.
Okay.
All right, Mr. White?
Yes.
Okay, so, yeah, you're gonna have to actually probably end up making an appointment with somebody at the Secretary of State's office to find out if you can get your license back.
Okay.
But if you take care of this $45, you'll be all set with the city of Detroit, unless you received tickets since recently. You should have,
Okay.
all that matters, okay?
Okay, I could just go on the app and put in that number you just gave me and pay it.
Yes, you can.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Have a blessed day.
You're very welcome. You have a blessed day too, okay?
Okay. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye-bye. All right, Mr. Roy Washington. Press *6 on your phone for me, sir. Mr. Washington, press *6 on your phone for me, please.
Hello?
Hello, there we go, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Good
Now
morning.
calling the matter of the people versus Roy Washington. This is U ticket 569-37420. This is one count of accosting and soliciting another for the act of prostitution. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sarah Robinson from Mr. Washington. Judge, I did not speak with Mr. Washington.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna put you back into a breakout room. Can Mr. Washington stay unmuted so she can talk to you in the breakout room,
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
All right, I'll put you in
Yes,
breakout
ma'am.
room one.
One, okay.
Yep.
What's the offer? What's the offer on his, please?
The offer on his plea is disorderly conduct, HIV/STI test, 20 hours community service, and prostitution awareness program.
Okie dokie. Thank you.
You're welcome. And a fine.
All right, Mr. Washington is ready. I can't bring him out.
I know, I'll bring them out.
Okay, he's gonna plead guilty.
Okay. You ready, Mr. Washington?
Yes, good morning.
Now recalling the matter of the people versus Roy Washington. This is U ticket 569-37420. Appearances once more for the record, please.
Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Roy Washington. Sir, please state your name.
Roy Washington.
All right. This is the
And
date,
Mr.
time,
Wa-
go ahead.
Nope.
The date, time set for an arraignment on a bench warrant.
Judge, we will waive the formal reading and ask the court to recall the warrant.
At this time, the court is going to recall any warrants that may be out there on his behalf and enter a plea of not guilty. Attorney Robinson, how are we proceeding today?
Mr. Washington would like to plead guilty.
Is that right, Mr. Washington?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear
Yes,
or
ma'am.
affirm the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Washington, did you have an opportunity to talk to Attorney Robinson in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to take your attention back to the date of March the 17th of 2020. Were you in the area of Hollywood, west of Charleston Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were in that area, did you act in a disorderly manner?
Say it again.
I said, while you were in that area, did you act in a disorderly manner?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Satisfied, Attorney Robinson?
I'm satisfied.
Thank you. And the court is satisfied as well. and will accept the plea to one count amended to disorderly conduct. Sir, there are a couple of things that you need to do for me, and I'll have you come back in 3 months to make sure you completed all the tasks. First, you have to have an HIV/STI test. I don't have to know the results. You just have to tell me, you have to be able to show me that you actually took the test, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to do 20 hours of community service. I'm going to give you a phone number to call. You ready to take down that number?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 313-965-8130. With that number, she'll be able to help you get community service, and you have to take a class. She should be able to give you that number for the class as well. It's called a misdemeanor morality class. You have to take this one Saturday. It's not a multiple time, it's just once, okay? I also charge
Okay.
a $300 fine, okay?
200.
300, 300. Okay? All right. Is 3 months gonna be enough time for you to complete these tasks?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I have you come back on September the 8th, 2022 for a hearing, okay? A review. As long as you've completed everything, I'll close this matter out, okay?
September what?
September the 8th. So that gives you 3 months, because you'll have all of the rest of June, all of July, all of August, and then you'll have to come back in September for the hearing, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Same number and everything. You got any more questions, Mr. Washington?
No, I'm just trying to get back to work.
I understand. Get back to work. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
That's all.
That's it, Mr. Washington. I'll see you on September the 8th via Zoom, as long as you pay the fine, take it, be able to show us proof of the test, do the 20 hours, and taking that class. This case will be closed.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Have a good day, okay?
You too, ma'am.
All right, bye-bye.
Hi, Jim.
Hi, how are you doing?
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Sorry, I took John from you for a second.
Okay, I was gonna say, that concludes this morning's docket.
Did we take care of Mr. Warren?
I'm sorry. Yes, so Ms. Robinson, did you get a chance to talk to Mr. Warren about the identity theft?
I did. He says 2016 is his. That's what he says.
So those would be his tickets from 2016?
He remembers, yeah, he says he remembers
Okay.
2016.
Okay, well, yeah, then we can just craft a plea around that, and then we'll dismiss the other ones.
Oh, I don't know if you heard me. Get his name right. See that? Who are you, sir?
Yeah, I just gotta ask something.
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I don't know what it is. I think it's exactly.
Once it's a month. He's here. Let's see if we got one ticket. I gotta do a whole nother doc.
I was always giving you a hard time, even as a.
Listen, all day long. You all right?
What, last name is WOOD?
Hold on, man. She got sign on. Huh?
How many tickets
Let's see how many tickets he has. I said he has 8 tickets.
WOOD RUFF? RUFF. And then ED WARD. You know, what's that?
Oh, what's his number?
C. So, forewarned? Only showed one.
And still refreshing. Okay.
We just set a coordinate with them.
Like improper, like some type of register, another like improper.
If we just set a coordinate.
What do you got?
Enjoy your birthday.
I
thought that countdown was like me, you and Leon or something. I didn't know it was the day after. Well, at least I got happy birthday early.
Thank you, I appreciate it. No, they decorated it all up, then by the time I got back, it was all back down.
July 5th? You say 5th?
Okay.
Okay.
No.
And that's like a trial? French trial?
Maybe, I'm.
Okay. Then we'll get them results. Cool, thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes, it drove my dad, so.
Have a good day.
You too, good
Bye,
to
I'll
see
see
you.
you.
You all
Yeah,
set?
see you.
All right, sounds good. All right. Yeah, let's warm.
Oh,
That's him.
that's careless water.
What would take them to 24? Yeah, that much stuff up there. I don't like to see that.
Oh, that's.
Lord, Lord, yeah.
How have you been, Judge?
It's
It's
so
back.
good. How about
Good,
yourself?
good, good. I'm up north. It's my
My
husband.
best-
Pardon?
Okay, I've been out here living my best life.
Good. I'm up north. It's my husband's birthday, so the family's up here.
I was gonna say, I love your background and your scenery.
Oh, if you could look. I can't show you the lake, but it's pretty.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, that's not the worst of having to sit there. It could be
Right,
worse places having to work.
Right.
Well, happy birthday to your husband. He's a wonderful Gemini.
Thank you. I actually got most of my kids up here, 3 of them, 2 of them.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
That's always really nice.
Yeah, it is. Good way to spend a birthday.
Absolutely. Attorney Robinson, did you get the new offer?
I'll check it. Yeah, I have it. I'll go in with him.
Okay. Yeah, I like breaks. Take breaks often.
Judge, I had him turn off his camera because his Wi-Fi is really bad.
No worries. Thank you for letting me know. Mr. Warner, you there?
Yes, how you doing?
I'm good. Now calling the matter of the people versus Marcus Warren. This is ticket number 712913. 1 count drove while license suspended. Ticket number 11636609. 1 count no operator's license on person. Ticket number 11636691. 1 count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number PH03043. 1 count of improper plate. Ticket number 803257. Count 1, driver's license never required. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also calling case number 20712. 129-131, one count drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson for Mr. Marcus Warren. Sir, please state your name.
Marcus Warren.
And Judge, he would like to plead guilty per the offer, which is plead to one count, 16261836, count one. The balance would be dismissed.
Is that right, sir?
Yes.
Did I call that ticket on the record?
Oh, and then it would be amended to improper plates, excuse me.
Okay. I don't have that ticket. Though. I need extra ticket on there.
Which one they call that? You need,
1626183.
You did not call that ticket, Judge. On the record.
16261836.
You know, Judge, I based the offer off of the summary sheet, not the tickets itself, so that's, I didn't actually. I should-
Also calling on this record today, tickets number 16261836, count one, prohibited right turn, count two, no receipt of and or registration, count three, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sarah Robinson for Mr. Marcus Warren. Sir, please state your name.
Marcus Warren.
And it says he wants to take him, it's a civil infraction. You know that, John?
Oh, it is?
That's fine with defense.
I'm sorry, I thought it was yeah, that's fine. Can we just make it a responsible
Blockading?
proper plates? Yeah, we do blockade.
Okay. Yes, I can do it as blockading.
That's fine.
Right, sir. So what they're gonna do, this is a civil infraction. What they're offering to do is give you a no point, no non-extractable matter for these cases that happened back in 2016. And the court will enter the fine that is appropriate with that particular civil infraction. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Okay. So on the date of May the 12th of 2016, in the area of Livernois and Davidson in the city of Detroit, Mr. Warner was driving a Ford vehicle and did block traffic. Satisfied, Attorney Robinson?
Satisfied.
And is there stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading. I'm going to dismiss all other remaining counts on this record today. Sir, the fine for blockading is $175. For civil infractions, you typically have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time for you, sir?
I really can't hear you when you said that because my phone was breaking up. Can you say it one more time?
I said civil infraction, the fine for this is $175. Civil infractions usually have to be paid in 14 days. Is that gonna be enough time for you, sir?
Oh, no. I don't have no job right now. No. I'm need a little longer. I don't have it.
All right.
I'm trying to get my license so I can get a job.
September the 8th, 2022 to have that paid. Now you have some reinstatement fees. I can't do anything about that. You have a lot of them. You're not gonna be able to get your license until you get some money to be able to pay all those, just so you know, Mr. Warren.
Okay, like next month, I probably be able to pay something.
Start making payments on it. So I would suggest after today, you go online and see how many fees and costs you have to pay and start making some payments on it. Because you don't have to pay it all at once, but you won't be able to get your license until you pay it, okay?
Yes.
Right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Have a good day.
All right, y'all too. All right, thank you.
Is that everybody now for real?
Yeah.